Hello everyone, I'm Malik. Welcome back to the grammar lesson. Okay, today I'm going to present you some grammar rules which related with correlative conjunction. Okay, from my previous lesson I mentioned about what is a correlative conjunction. Now we are going to further identify some important grammar rules to make accurate sentence by using correlative conjunction. Okay everyone, actually there are some useful grammar rules, so you should remember to use correlative conjunction appropriately in your sentences. Okay, first one, when you use correlative conjunction, it is important to use parallel structure. That is to say, we use correlative conjunction to link or connect two elements in the sentence which hold same grammatical type. Look at this example. Jack not only likes fruits but also sweets. He should either sell his watch or his car. Okay, these two sentences grammatically wrong. These are incorrect. Can you identify why? Okay, let's discuss. Because of here correlative conjunction, so we used to link two different elements. They are not grammatically equal. Okay, look at the first example. Jack not only likes fruits but also sweets. Here, first conjunction of the pair not only stand before verb likes but also stand before noun. So here correlative conjunctions not only but also we use to link two different elements. One is verb and next one is noun. So therefore this sentence is incorrect, because we know correlative conjunction we use to link same type of elements. Okay, look at the second example. He should either sell his watch or his car. Okay, here also correlative conjunction either or we use to link two different elements of the sentence. First one stand before verb sell, and next one, next conjunction or stand before noun phrase his car. So therefore we use to link two different element which is not grammatically same type. So therefore these two sentences incorrect. Okay everyone, now let's look at how to make them correctly. Look at this example. Jack not only likes fruits but also likes sweet. Jack likes not only fruits but also sweets. He should sell either his watch or his car. He should either sell his watch or sell his car. Okay, when you look at this example, it's clear they have parallel structure. That is to say, correlative conjunction we use to link two elements which hold same grammatical type. Look at the first example. Not only but also we use to link two verb phrases likes fruits and like sweets. They have same grammatical functions. Look at the second example. Jack likes not only fruits but also sweets. Here we use correlative conjunction to link two nouns, fruits and sweets. Third example, he should sell either his watch or his car. Here also correlative conjunction we use to link same two type elements, his watch, his car. These are noun phrases. And last example, we use correlative conjunction either or to connect two verb phrases sell his watch or sell his car. They followed by verb sell. Okay everyone, remember when you use correlative conjunction to make sentence, you should link equal important two elements. That is to say, noun with noun, pronoun with pronoun, verb with verb, or phrases with phrases, or clauses with clauses. Okay everyone, now let's talk about subject verb agreement with correlative conjunction. Remember, when we use correlative conjunction to link two singular subject, verb also should be in singular form, but when we use correlative conjunction to link to plural subject, verb should be in plural form. But another important thing you should remember, when we use singular and plural subject by linking through correlative conjunction, verb respond to the closest subject. Okay everyone, let's look at some example to identify how verb agree with subjects when we use correlative conjunction to connect them. Look at this example. Neither the plumber nor electrician is here yet. Not only Mike but also Jim is coming with us. Neither the plumbers nor electricians are here yet. Neither my friends nor my mom likes swimming. Neither my mom nor my friends like swimming. Okay, everyone, look at the first example. Here correlative conjunction neither nor we use to connect two singular subject, the plumber, the electrician. So therefore verb also followed by singular form is. Okay, go through the second example. Not only Mike but also Jim is coming with us. Here also correlative conjunction we use to link two singular subject, Mike and Jim. So therefore verb also should be in singular form is. Okay, move with next one. Neither the plumbers nor electricians. So here we use two plural subject by linking correlative conjunction. So therefore verb also standing with it plural form are. Okay, look at the next one. Neither my friends nor my mom likes swimming. Okay, here we can see two subjects, one is plural subject, another one is singular subject. Correlative conjunction we use to connect two subjects. My friends, it's a plural subject, and my mom is singular subject, and verb stand in singular form. So remember, when we use singular and plural subjects by linking through correlative conjunction, verb always respond to the closest noun. So here closest subject or noun, my mom. So therefore it's a singular. So therefore verb also stand in singular form likes. Look at the last one. Neither my mom nor my friends like swimming. Okay, here also singular and plural subjects we use, and also verb stand in plural form because closest noun stand in plural form, my friends. Okay, everyone, now let's talk about how pronoun agree with subject when they connect with correlative conjunction. Like subject verb agreement, when you use two singular subjects we should use singular pronoun, and also when you use two plural subject by connecting correlative conjunction we should use plural pronoun. But remember, when you use singular and plural subject by linking correlative conjunction, pronoun should agree with whichever noun is closest to it. Look at some example. Neither Mike nor Daniel found his shoes. I don't know whether the girls or the boys have had their breakfast. Neither Mike nor his friends started their opinion. Neither Mike's friend nor Mike started his opinion. Okay, look at the first example. Here we use correlative conjunction to connect two nouns, singular nouns, Mike and Daniel. So therefore pronouns also should stand in singular form. It's stand in singular form. Look at the second example. I don't know whether the girls or the boys have had their breakfast. Okay, here we use two plural subjects, the girls and the boys. So therefore pronoun also should stand in plural form. They are. It stand in plural form. Okay, look at the next one. Neither Mike nor his friends started their opinion. Okay, here we can see one is singular, Mike, and next subject is plural, his friends. So we use pronoun in plural form because here closest noun his friends. So therefore pronoun stand in plural form there. Look at the last one. Neither Mike's friends nor Mike started his opinion. Okay, here first subject is plural, Mike's friends, but second subject Mike is singular. So pronoun also comes within singular form because here closest noun to the pronoun is singular. Mike is singular. Okay, remember, when you use singular and plural subject by connecting correlative conjunction, pronoun always agree with the closest noun. Okay, everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about some grammar rules which related with correlative conjunction. I hope that you learned something about grammar of correlative conjunction. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.